what we have here is a header from a 1.5 Mazda 3 Skyactiv. So you can see it also loops that way. It's the same design. Actually, it's a 2 liter. But what we'll be doing here with the header is that we'll do a 4-1 long tube header. Because the important part about this one is this pipe length here. So what we're gonna do is if you unwrap all of this thing, so the header length will be about this long. So this is where the flange is. So it will go from here and end up to here. There's a reason why it's designed this way. The main reason is what Mazda wanted to do was it wanted to separate the exhaust pulses of each of the cylinders as long as possible, as far as possible, so they can get away with a higher compression. So because doing so, if you make the exhaust ports long, the exhaust gases don't mix early, they mix a bit later. So that the exhaust port of this one doesn't dilute that doesn't dilute that, so on and so forth. So that's the whole point of this one. We can do a loop header, but it'll be a bit more expensive. So the whole point is, again, if you unwrap this thing, it all goes here. This part is not very important because this is the catalytic converter, and we're not going to be using that anymore. So our long tube header will be from here all the way up to here. It'll be a 4-1 design. Why not 4-2-1? Technically it's not long enough to have a proper 4-2-1, because if I want to do that, I will make my first section half the length this long, and the other section is about pretty much the same half. It's going to end up here, and it's not going to be a bolt-on anymore because this is where the stock mid pipe goes into, so we have to cut that, and we don't do that. So the best design for this one is a 4-2-1, where again we want to keep the exhaust pulses away from each other for as long and as far as possible.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game